Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making cornbread dressing for our cornbread dressing for Thanksgiving. So this is going to be a very quick recipe, so let's go ahead and get started. So let me tell you what you'll need. You'll need a mixing bowl, you'll need cornmeal, salt, buttermilk if you like, baking powder, an egg, and some oil. It could be canola oil, regular oil, chicken oil, whatever oil that you have left over. So first we're going to add the cornmeal. And when you're doing your cornbread dressing, you want to make sure you have more cornmeal than you do flour, okay? So this is the cornmeal. Okay. Next, I'm going to add flour. I'm not really sure if I indicated that or not, but I'm just going to add maybe 1 scoop of flour. Okay. And so for, I guess, technical reasons, so I used about 2 cups of cornmeal and 1/4 of a cup of flour. Next, I'll use baking powder. What I went ahead and did, I grabbed my cast iron skillet. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the bottom of the skillet. It's about maybe a tablespoon, or less than a tablespoon, 3/4 a spoon of oil. And just make sure you oil that skillet all the way around. Okay? All the way around you want to oil that skillet. Okay. Alright, after you do that, you want to just pour in your mixture. And if you see some on the bottom, like I did, and just scrape it, you could just mix it. It should be fine. And just pour that in there. All right. Again, this is the cornbread for your to start your cornbread dressing. So you're going to make it a little bit differently, and this is what it should look like. You can put it in any type of pan. You don't have to have a cast iron skillet, as long as your skillet is your skillet is oven safe. You should be good to go. And we're going to put the oven on. The oven has already been preheated to 350, so we're going to stick it in there. You have your oven should be preheated to 350 degrees. You want to cook that cornbread for at least 30 minutes. Hello everyone. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes and the cornbread is actually done. Let me go ahead and take that out. This is the cornbread and the cast iron skillet for your cornbread dressing. All right. If you are cooking in a cast iron skillet, make sure you, after the cornbread cools, take it out of the cast iron skillet and place it on like aluminum foil or a baker's rack or something like that, so the flavors don't absorb. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.